What if the difference between being broke at 65 and never working again was $300 a month? Not 300,000, not a lucky stock pick, not some crypto token your cousin texted you about at 2 in the morning. $300. The craziest part about building real wealth? For the first several years, it looks like absolutely nothing is happening. You check the account after months of consistency, and it barely looks different. And that's exactly when most people quit. But the ones who don't quit, something happens around year 17 that most people never get to see. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you're going to understand why the most powerful financial decision you can make today isn't a big one. It's a quiet one, a boring one, and it's one that almost nobody has the patience to finish. Let's talk about two people, both 25, same income, same starting point. The first person looks the part. New shoes every few months, nice car, always has dinner plans. Their life looks like something worth watching online. The second person? You'd never know. They drive something older. They don't post about money. And every single month, without fail, $300 disappears from their checking account before they even think about it. That's it. That's the whole strategy. Now here's the uncomfortable question: which one are you closer to right now? Because the gap between those two people isn't intelligence, it's not income, it isn't who they know or what school they went to, it's one habit, repeated quietly, for a very long time. And what happens to person 2 over 30 years will make you question everything you thought you knew about building wealth. Year 1, $3,600 invested. Account balance, maybe $4,000 if the market is kind. You'd feel almost nothing. No life change, no moment of clarity. No dramatic transformation, just a number that looks like something you could have earned in a few extra shifts. Year 2. 7,200 in contributions. Balance creeping toward 8,000. Still feels slow. This is where it gets psychologically dangerous, because this is exactly when people start comparing. You see someone online turning a few $100s into 50,000 overnight. You see the crypto millionaires, the influencers, the people who seem to have found a shortcut that you're completely missing. And a voice starts whispering, "This is too slow. This isn't working. Maybe I should put this money somewhere more exciting." That voice has bankrupted more people than any market crash in history. By year 5, your contributions total $18,000. Your balance might sit somewhere around $23,000. And honestly, that still doesn't feel like much. But here's what you don't know yet. The machine is already running. The engine has started. You just can't hear it yet. If you're the kind of person who wants to actually build something real, not just look like you have money, but actually have it subscribe right now. Because the people who understand what we're about to show you and act on it early end up living completely different lives a decade from now. Not because they got lucky, because they understood something most people never took the time to learn. Something changes around year 6. It's subtle. You won't celebrate it. You might not even notice it. But for the first time, your investments start earning more in a single year than your new contributions alone. Read that again. The money is starting to make money. By year 10, you've put in 36,000 of your own dollars. Your account, somewhere north of 55,000. That gap, that $19,000 gap, didn't come from your paycheck. It came from your patience. Here's the thing about these middle years. They don't feel exciting. There's no headline moment, no celebration, no viral screenshot. Most people who quit do it somewhere in this window. They get bored. They convince themselves there's a smarter move. But the people who don't quit, they're about to watch something extraordinary happen. By year 15, contributions total $54,000. Your account? Closing in on $120,000, maybe more. The money you never contributed, the earnings you never worked for now represent more than half your account. And things are just getting started. I mentioned year 17 at the beginning of this video. Here's what happens. In a single year, year 17, your portfolio earns more from growth alone than you contribute across all 12 months combined. Think about that. You contribute $3,600 that year, but your investments, they earn more than that without you lifting a single finger. For the first time in 17 years, time is doing more work than you are. This is the moment the slope changes. This is what people mean when they talk about compound growth. Not the math class definition, the real feeling of it. The thing that makes you understand why every financial cliche about starting early is actually just an understatement. Your balance around year 17? Somewhere between $170,000 and $200,000. You've contributed roughly $72,000. The other 100,000, time made that. Now we accelerate. Year 20, you've contributed $72,000 of your own money. Your account is somewhere between 240 and 260,000. More than 60% of that account you never earned in a paycheck. Year 25, 108,000 in contributions. Account sitting close to 400,000, possibly more. And year 30, the finish line, $108,000 of your own money contributed over 30 years. Account value, somewhere between $550,000 and over $600,000. You contributed $108,000. The account returned more than 5 times that. The majority of your wealth, the hundreds of thousands of dollars sitting in that account, never came from your effort. It came from one decision, repeated without interruption, for 30 years. And a person one, still working, still spending, still looking the part, but running out of runway. Now, here's the part nobody talks about enough. At some point during those 30 years, the market is going to drop. Badly. Your account will go from, say, $80,000 to $62,000 in a matter of weeks. And every instinct in your body will scream, get out. Everything you've built will feel like it's disappearing. The news will sound terrifying. People around you will be panicking. And you'll have to make the hardest financial decision most people never actually master. You'll have to do nothing. Or better, you'll have to keep going. Because the people who panic and exit during a downturn don't just miss the recovery. They lock in their losses. And they spend the next decade trying to time a re-entry that never feels right. The ones who kept their $300 transfer running on autopilot, they bought more shares at the lowest prices. They let the market hand them a discount, and when things recovered, and they always recover, those investors didn't just get back to where they were ahead. So what does $300 a month mean for you right now? Maybe you're 22 and you think 30 years is forever. It isn't. It's going to happen either way. The only question is whether you're building something while it passes. Maybe you're 35 and you're doing the math and panicking that you've already missed 15 years. You haven't. Someone starting at 35 with the same $300 a month still ends up with life-changing money at 65. The number is smaller than if they'd started earlier, but it's still completely transformational. And maybe you're 45 and you're thinking it's too late. The most dangerous story you can tell yourself is that you've missed your window, because that story becomes the reason you keep missing it. Wealth doesn't get built in dramatic moments. It doesn't happen when you finally find the right stock. It doesn't happen in a single month that changes everything. It doesn't come from working harder than everyone else or knowing something they don't. It's built in ordinary moments that nobody posts about. In a monthly transfer that barely registers, in the choice to stay the course when everything around you is telling you to stop. $300 a month, every month for 30 years. That's not a financial strategy, that's a character test. And the people who pass it don't end up wealthy because they were lucky. They end up wealthy because they were the only ones who didn't quit before the magic happened. Most people quit before the magic happens. Don't be most people.